So in today's trade, I just now took ICICI Bank August future from this particular list, August 30th, and in this I went up to ICICI Bank. Okay. And also, if you see, the open price is 319.50 and low price is 319.50. So open is equal to low. Uptrend movement in this stock. And then what happened, the chart had gone up for 3 minutes, super trend. There was a red out here and the stock has almost come down. It may further come down a bit and then it has to go back and hit the red line after some time or after some support, and based on that our stock will recover from here. That is why I took a position right now here, considering after some time the stock should go back and touch this line in half an hour or 10 minutes. It depends on the situation, and then that is when we can book our profit. So we have taken at currently 331.90. so we have to wait for some more time till the stock is done with this downtrend, and then when it goes back, definitely it will cross that line. And Nifty is slowly going upside itself over here. If you see, just now it got a buy signal and it is going up. Anyways, it is dancing between that particular range itself. So these few stocks were in my radar right now, and all are stuck almost, but Concur August is looking good. So great breakout in this stock. If you see, still breakout is going on. Finally ICICI is where we took, so we need to wait for some more time. So once the stock goes our side, I will definitely record this video. If you see, the stock has gone up, it has broken that level I told you. It is going back from here. So we bought around here 31.90, right over here. So now the stock has gone up, hoping the stock should hit this point and at least go half the way, if not full of highest, but at least half the way. If it can go, that would be great for us. But anyways, the small movement of hitting also is a good amount for us, considering it's a 3 rupee stock. So 1 rupee above is also a good profit, right? So 0.3%, 1 rupee 10 paisa is 0.3% almost. So it is way above that. So 333 will be our 0.3 paisa target. So but the super trend sell triggering point is, where is super trend? Yeah, so it's 333.91 if you see the red line, right? So that is that is going to be a resistance right now. So if it can hit that, then it will trigger a buy call from here. But we should see sometimes stocks dances between that area, because there will be a lot of resistance. 337, 333.7. So it has to go at least 334. That is where it can go touch that line. If you see, okay, finally it has touched, but it should sustain. It has to stay there, or else the candle will come down, then automatically it will become a red line again. So it has to see, this is the example, it has to hit and sustain. That is when the signal has generated, or else it will be a false signal. Okay, so 333.80, if you see, it's dancing in that line. For us, I think this profit is more than enough, but still I'm just seeing if it can generate that buy signal, because that was the idea on which we were waiting. If you see, it didn't go hit that now. So let's wait and watch. If you see, the stock has broken that super trend and it has hit the super trend, and we have a buy signal generated right now. So it has gone to 334.40. So currently it looks really good for us right now. So just seeing how long this journey can be. towards the green side, or will it reverse is the question. Looking at this green, it went really high, then there was a red, and again we have green right now. I'm not sure how long this will go. Either it can break its own high, or either it has to go at least half. That is what is expected. But if the market doesn't support, if you see it's only 0.16, it's dancing between that line. So if market doesn't support, then definitely this also won't go up. But what is the high? 344.55. So it's a long way from here, and let's see if we need to wait and watch, or if I want to exit, I'll just looking at the 1 minute graph right now. It's in the peak, right? One resistance out there over here, 335.31. Okay, so if you see, we have booked the profit as 6,600. The stock went up to 336 also, but we didn't book the profit. Stock went up to 336 and then started coming down. That is why we booked it at 333, and we booked off at 333. So this is the overall position, and anyways, profit is profit, so you cannot wait for the profit which you saw. It was around 19,000, so you cannot expect that to happen once again. So I just exited. So anyways, this was also, I have explained you how I picked this stock. It was based on the it's open. If you see, the open and low is equal, so based on that I have picked this. Hope you guys like this video. Please do hit that like, subscribe, and share this. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.